Hey everyone, it's Adam here. This this ProClip setup is always amazing to me. So here are the instructions. We're in a 2021 Ram Limited. These come in the box. Obviously, it's item number 855417. I put ProClip in every one of my cars. I've had it in maybe 6 cars so far, and I just keep buying them because they're so great. So this is the center mount for the Ram. They have 2 mounts for the Ram, actually, this 5th generation. One of them involves removing some of the screws up here and replacing this pan with a nice little heavy-duty thing that kind of puts the phone kind of here. But I felt like that would block my view too much of the road. So I went with a traditional mount that goes to kind of in your line of sight right here. And you can see it right there on the right. And all you do on this thing, so simple, seriously. You remove the piece of tape from there. You put in your trim tool right there that kind of separates the trim just a slight bit. And then from there, you affix the sticker there, give it a little solid push, and then these teeth on the back left side will grab in to your trim right there. Let me turn the light on for you guys so you can see. It just grabs right there. And you can see how seamless that is. Perfect. And then from there, we're going to take our next step mount and hook it up. Now, just so you guys know, the cell phone mount's going to be different for every product. I bought mine for an iPhone 12 Pro, but the actual mount you pick all depends on your phone. I told them I'll probably end up ordering another mount in 3 months when the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes out, because I want to upgrade a little bit. But you can see here, it doesn't interfere at all with your vent motions, which is nice. Everything still works the way it should. And what we have to do, unfortunately, is to run a USB cable, snake it down through here. I'm not going to take any trim pieces off. Do it at your own risk. I found that when I remove trim pieces, I tend to break clips, and this thing is brand new. So I'm going to grab some mild adhesive zip tie holders and basically snake my USB down here and bring it right down into the USB port right there. But let me show you guys what this looks like as the final product. Hold on. And here's the final product. So this mount will not move. You can trust me on that. This thing will not move. It's going to be rock solid for years. I've had ProClips in all kinds of vehicles, and they just hold up so well no matter what you throw at them. I thought hard about whether to mount this on the left side or the right side. They give you 6 holes to mount into, and you have 4 you need to use. I wanted right side because it allows the cable to kind of drop straight down. If I had some more confidence on this trim piece, I would rig it in to where it was a native fit. But at least with this, the phone drops right down. Just for those of you that are new to this, you tighten up the ball joint that moves this left and right here. These two hold this together. So once you know how much width your phone needs, you give it a little bit less than that and then tighten these two down. Then you can slide the phone in nice and tight, and then it never moves. And it's got some little blockers here at the very bottom. That's why these are so specific that you actually request the right one for your iPhone and case, because it will hold it right at the bottom and it won't fall through. They make one as well that has the built-in dock connector, and they're fine. I have those as well in some other cars, but I just have grown to love this one the most because it gives you the ability to have a cable dangling, and you can switch it up, especially if your phone's connector changes in a couple of years. You have that flexibility. So now I need to figure out a way to route my cable from here up to here, but that's a personal preference. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, great device. Always enjoy these things. And I did want to try out the heavy duty version that goes up here. It just would have put the phone way too high for my line of sight, and I like it just like this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.